In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your personal life in ClickUp. If you're looking to streamline your tasks, track your goals, or simply want to keep your personal projects in order, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and explore the steps you'll need to take to get your personal life organized using ClickUp. First, you'll want to go to the ClickUp website. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure to bookmark the page if you haven't already, as it's really handy to have easy access to a tool that you'll likely be using quite often once you see how powerful it is. Now, once you've got the page open, you're going to click on the Login button, typically found in the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login screen. From here, there's a convenient option to log in using your Google account, which streamlines the process significantly. So, go ahead and click on Continue with Google and follow the prompts to log in that way. Once you're logged into ClickUp, you'll see a plus icon, usually located on your dashboard or the left-hand side menu. By clicking this plus icon, you're opening the door to create new projects, tasks, and more. It's really where you'll start building out your organizational system. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be presented with several options, one of which is Templates. Clicking on Templates allows you to browse through a selection of pre-made templates that can save you a lot of time and help kickstart your organization process with tried and tested setups. Next, within the Templates section, you'll want to click on the highlight area, where you'll be prompted to search for specific templates. In the search bar, simply type Personal Productivity. This will bring up a list of templates tailored to boosting individual efficiency and managing personal tasks. Once you find the Personal Productivity template, select it. You might notice that these templates include a broad range of features that can help with goal setting, task lists, and more, giving you an excellent foundation for keeping your life organized. Go ahead and click on Use Template to bring this setup into your own ClickUp space. Depending on your preferences, you can customize the template to fit your personal workflow. Make sure it aligns with the way you like to organize your tasks and goals. After setting up the template, look for Personal Productivity in your workspace, usually accessible through the sidebar. Clicking on this will open up various sections such as Goals, To Do, and To Learn. These sections are designed to help you track different aspects of your life systematically. By clicking on the Goals section, you're able to track and manage your objectives. Similarly, in the To Do section, you can outline tasks you need to accomplish, while the To Learn section allows you to keep track of any skills or knowledge you're aiming to acquire. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now well on your way to having a more organized personal life with the help of ClickUp. Remember, the key to staying organized is consistency, so be sure to regularly update your tasks and goals within ClickUp to maintain that sense of order in your life. Happy organizing!